angle ABC and CDE, sorry, line ABC and CDE are straight lines. This ABC and CDE, these are straight lines. And angle ACE equals to 90 degrees. So this is 90. They are at right angle. DF is parallel to CG is parallel to BH. Means these three lines are parallel. So what we have to find? We have to find Y. How? Let's see. CG is parallel to DF. CG is parallel to DF. So these two become corresponding angles. Now what are corresponding angles? See this slide. Angles on the same side of the transversal are corresponding angles and lines are parallel. So they are equal. So GCD becomes 28. Now ACG plus GCD equals to 90. Why? Because it's already given in the problem. They have formed a right angle. So ACG plus GCD you know now 28. So ACG equals to now what? 90 minus 28. That is 62 degrees. So this angle becomes 62. Now BH is parallel to CG. So angle ACG and angle Y are corresponding angles. So they are equal. So ACG becomes equal to Y equals to 62 degrees.